Let's now go to identification of patterns. Let's discuss full heat. Hot and cold describe the nature of a pattern, and their clinical manifestations depend on whether they are combined with a full or empty condition. Full heat can be external, as in wind heat, or internal. The manifestations of invasion of wind heat have already been described above. Full heat, whether external or internal, is a manifestation of excess yang. Here we can see the full heat from excess of yang. The main manifestations of full heat in an internal condition are thirst, a feeling of heat, some mental restlessness, red face, dry stool, scanty dark urine, rapid full pulse, and a red tongue with yellow coating. Beyond this, it is difficult to generalize as other manifestations will depend on the organ affected. Aside from the above clinical manifestations, there are other diagnostic guides which indicate heat. Any raised red skin eruption which feels hot indicates heat. For example, acute urticaria normally takes this form. As for pain, any burning sensation indicates heat. For example, the burning sensation of cystitis or a burning feeling in the stomach. Any loss of blood with large quantities of dark red blood indicates heat in the blood. As far as the mind is concerned, any condition of extreme restlessness or manic behavior indicates heat in the heart. Of course, a subjective feeling of heat also indicates heat. Etiology: internal full heat may derive directly from the excessive consumption of hot energy foods like red meat, spices, and alcohol, or indirectly from emotional stress. In fact, emotional stress tends to cause stagnation in its early stages. If she stagnates for some time, it usually gives rise to some heat. With further passage of time, heat may turn into fire. Finally, internal full heat may also derive from the transformation of a pathogenic factor which penetrates the interior and turns heat as it does so. Here we can see the etiology of full heat. Full heat. The manifestations: thirst, a feeling of heat, mental restlessness, red face, dry stool, scanty urine, rapid full pulse, red tongue with yellow coating. Etiology: emotional problems, diet, too much red meat, spices, and alcohol. An external pathogenic factor that has penetrated into the interior and transformed into heat. A woman of 50 suffered from burning pain in the epigastrium. She also complained of nausea with occasional vomiting, bleeding of the gums, bad breath, thirst, and insomnia. Her tongue was red, had a crack in the center with a sticky dry yellow coating, and was dry. Her pulse was full and slightly rapid. These manifestations indicate full heat in the stomach. Thank you for your attention.